So in this section, we're going to build a note app from scratch. Now, the main point here is that we are going to see not only how to put together the user interface, we're going to always learn something new, but most importantly, we're going to learn how to use different mechanisms, different tools that we have to handle state of our data, to separate our state even further away from the composable functions. So that's the main point of this section here, which is to learn how to further hoist our state from our composables so that we have a single source of truth for our data and state. So this is the app we're going to be building. So it's very simple, as you see. In the beginning, we'll have some dummy data, as you see there. But if I click on each one of these, you can see they are deleted. So I can go ahead and add, let's say, hello there, and say this is my note. Then we can go ahead and save. As we save, you can see that was added. Hello there, this is my note. Okay, you can add as many. That's gibberish, but that's okay. Okay, so, and there we go, it was added. Again, by click or tap any one of these, we will be able to delete. Very well, so let's go ahead and get started.